Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing materials and the first motion. Take a 24-30 cotton thread and tie a tight double knot so it forms a loop. You clean and dry the area. This reduces slipping and infection risk. Once done, hold the loop with both hands, twist the center 8-12 times to create the removal zone, and position the twisted section over the hairs you want to remove. Make sure to pull the surrounding skin taut so the thread grips hairs, not skin. You now master the core motion. Use rhythmic opening and closing of your fingers to move the twist across the skin, trapping and pulling hairs from the follicle. Once done with a section, shift 2-3 mm and repeat. This prevents missed hairs and reduces skin tugging. Make sure to vary twist count for coarse versus fine hair, more twists for coarse hair, fewer for fine. Keep movements short and controlled, and angle the thread so it removes hairs in the direction they grow to minimize breakage. You finish by combing the skin and inspecting your work. Press a cool compress or apply pure aloe gel to reduce redness and swelling. Do not apply heavy oils for 24 hours. Once done, sanitize and discard the used thread and carefully retouch any missed hairs with a fresh loop. If you notice persistent pain, swelling, or ingrown hairs, pause future threading and treat with antiseptic. If it worsens, seek professional care. One troubleshooting tip: if thread keeps slipping, shorten length by 20.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.